Hi everyone, ever wish your photos could come to life? Here's how to turn the static images into an AI generated videos with Prome AI. Let's get started. First, go to your Google Chrome and search for promeai.com and sign in. And once you're in, navigate to animate or motion generation feature in the dashboard or choose the AI image generator. Then here click an image or upload an image, then choose a static photo you want to animate. This could be a person, landscape, artwork, or even a product. Just click or go to Anime Generator. Now, select an animation or preset style. The Chrome AI offers cool effects like animation, cinematic motion, face movement, and more. Then you can adjust the settings, customize the things like the duration, the camera angle, motion intensity. Then here you can click generate once you're done uploading your photo. The Chrome AI will animate your image into a video clip in seconds, and once you're done, hit download. Use it for your reels, ads, or storytelling projects, and that's how you add life to still images effortlessly. Then turn static into a cinematic with Chrome AI. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.